Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how I make my homemade pizza using the Comfee Flashwave toaster oven. Please relax and watch till the very end. Let us start with unboxing the Comfee air fryer toaster oven. Guys, the Comfee air fryer toaster oven is a portable countertop oven that has 10-in-1 functions. When you open up the box, first of all you see the manual, the cookbook, and a quick start guide. Moving on, you'll see the various accessories. Over here is the oven tray, and it's made with enamel, which makes it so easy to clean. This is the crumb collection tray. This helps you to collect all the dirt while you are baking. And this is the oven rack. Comfee air fryer toaster oven weighs 4 pounds and it has a capacity of 24 quarts. When it comes to the product dimensions, it is 17.56 inches in diameter, 14.96 inches wide, and 9.9 inches high. What makes the Comfee air fryer toaster oven very unique and different and even better than the conventional oven is the fact that it uses a flash wave rapid heat technology. The heating element is made with graphene and it heats so rapidly, like in 0.2 seconds. So this makes cooking 40% faster than the conventional oven. I've gone ahead to clean the inside of the oven with a warm washcloth and soap, and I also washed the various racks that came with the oven. So over here I placed the crumb collection tray, I placed the oven rack, the oven tray, and the air fryer basket. So you're not going to use all of this at the same time, okay? It depends on what function you want to use. And now let's even talk about all the various functions that the Comfee air fryer toaster oven has. You guys hear me use the word like interchangeably. I use air fryer, I use toaster, I use oven. This is because this air fryer oven toaster has 10-in-1 versatile functions, okay? It has the function of making pizza, toast, bagel, broil, reheat, air fry, air roast, rapid bake, dehydrate, and sear crisps. So guys, it has various functions. So the first step is always read the instruction manual, okay? So over here it says to turn on the plug in the oven and turn it on. Use the function button to select broil and let it broil for 15 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So this process is going to burn off any oil still left in the oven during manufacturing, and during this process the oven may smoke, and this is very normal for a new oven, and it will not last more than 10 to 15 minutes. So that was the first thing that I did. I so much appreciate the fact that this Comfee air fryer toaster oven comes with a cookbook, a quick start guide, and a very detailed manual. Guys, in this cookbook there are lots of interesting, very easy to follow recipes. It is so detailed, guys, like so detailed. I love the quick start guide. It tells you like what function to use for different types of dishes. It has, like, for instance, if you want to make chicken nuggets, it will tell you the suggested function, the amount of time to cook it, the preparation, and just give you tips. So let us go ahead and bake a pizza. This is a 12-inch pizza, and I'm going to transfer it into an oven rack lined with a baking sheet. Then I'll use the first function, which is the pizza function, and it is going to bake this pizza for 15 minutes using a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. One thing that stands out for me when it comes to this portable countertop oven is the fact that it is very accessible and it makes me want to use it. Guys, sometimes I don't even want to turn my oven on just because of how big it is and how, like, I don't want to go through the process of having to clean it and all that. But with this countertop portable oven, it makes it very easy for me to bake every time. Since I've got this, I've made meat pie, I've made grilled mackerel fish, I've made fish rolls, I've made sausages, like I've literally made everything, and it just makes me want to bake or just do something because it is so accessible and it is so easy to clean. Guys, this is the pizza. See how like nicely it is baking, and this was after 15 minutes, and this is what we have. I love my pizza very crunchy. I love the crust so crunchy, so that was why I let it sit for that long. I so much love this air fryer toaster oven, guys. I'm going to put a direct link to this Comfee air fryer toaster oven in my comment section and in my description box. The link will lead you directly to where you can purchase this on Amazon, and if you purchase it within the time stated there, you will get a discount. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.